Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix PrizePicks withdrawal failed or withdrawal not working. So, usually what happens is I'll click here on the top left, three horizontal lines, and here you can come request withdrawal, right? And you'll click here on my saved method. As you can see, I have this withdrawable balance. And some people, they're not able to withdraw because, you know, sometimes PrizePicks has this 1x playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all the deposited funds. So, the funds you deposited at least once before withdrawing them. So, for example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. And the lineups must be submitted using credit funds, not promo funds. So, in order to count toward your playthrough requirement, sometimes what people do, they have inaccurate bank information that can also cause withdrawal requests to fail. So here I'll just withdraw, and sometimes if that happens, your funds will be returned to your credit funds balance. You don't have to worry about that, and you can create a new withdrawal. Also, by the way, withdrawals can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. In this case, I had used PayPal. So I can deposit using PayPal, right? The same deposit method that I had used. So also other things I need to mention. Discovery debit cards, Apple Pay, all credit cards, they can only be used for deposit, not for withdrawals. And you need to, of course, meet the withdrawal minimum, which is $10. Any smaller request, it will fail. So there we go. Enter the verification code. Successful. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.